Good morning. We are continuing with the medical terminology and the word roots. Today I am starting with RIA and RAGE. These are the two medical terms. RIA mean fluid discharge. RIA mean fluid discharge. Like rhinorrhea, water discharge from the nose. Diarrhea, watery stools. Rage. Rage is like hemorrhage. It's blood discharge. Rage is blood discharge, like hemorrhage. It's bleeding. Rhea is fluid discharge, rhinorrhea, otorrhea, diarrhea, menorrhea. But rage is hemorrhage, blood discharge. Two more words like a and an. Both has meaning of no and without. Anemia, no blood. Atrophy, no growth. Anemia, no blood. Atrophy, no growth. Erythrocyte, it means red. Erythro means red, and erythrocyte means red blood cell. We have different blood in the cell. One is red blood cell. Erythrocyte, eryther means red. Then we have leuc. Leuc means white. It is, leukocyte is white blood cell. Leukemia means blood cancer of the white cell. Blood cancer of the white cell. Leukemia. Zero. Zero means yellow. It is like jaundice. Polio is like grey. Poliomyelitis. Infection of the grey part of the spinal cord. Spinal cord has two colors. Outside is white and inside is grey. So grey is infected, not the white one. That is known as poliomyelitis. Polio is grey. Cyan, C-Y-A-N, cyan, cyano. It means blue. Cyanosis, blue discoloration of the body. Cyanosis. Often when a child is born, the baby is cyanotic, blue. When secretions are removed from the throat and oxygen given, the baby becomes red immediately. Pink, red. But cyanosis means blue. Cyto, cell. Cyte means cell, S-Y-T. And hist means tissue. Hist means tissue. Histology, study of tissue. My means muscle. And then we have viscera. Viscera means internal organ. Body internal organs or are called viscera. Phago. Phag means eat, to eat. Dysphagia. Dysphagia means difficulty in eating. Phag, phagia, dysphagia. Aphagia, no eating. Dysphagia, difficulty in eating. Pepsi means digestion. Peps means digestion. Peps-O. Dyspepsia, difficulty in digestion. Difficulty in digestion, dyspepsia, or heartburn, you can say. Phone, phono mean hearing. Aphonia, no hearing. Hearing is lost. Aphonia. And then we have men. Men mean menstrual flow. Menstrual flow. Amenorrhea, no menstrual flow. Dysmenorrhea, difficulty in menstrual flow. Oligomenorrhea, very less. Oligo means less. Oligomenorrhea, very less flow. Then we have thrombo. Throm means clotting. Thrombocyte, cells that clot. We have three type of cell in the blood: red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets. The technical name for platelets is thrombocyte, thromb, clot. So these are clotting cells. When we have bleeding, they help in the stoppage of bleeding by thrombosis, by clotting the blood at the bleeding site. Thrombocyte. Thrombosis, abnormal condition of blood clotting. Thrombosis. We get stroke as a result of thrombosis. If there is blood clot in the brain, we get attack of stroke. Echo. Echo means sound. Like echocardiogram. So we examine heart with the help of sound waves. Sound waves, this is done by the ultrasound machine. Sound waves go to the heart, touch it and come back, and received by machine, and we can visualize it on the screen. We can examine physiology, anatomy of the heart with the help of echocardiography. We can see the anatomy and we can see its function and blood flow. Neuro. Neuro means nervous system or nerve tissue. Neurology, study of the nervous system. Neurologists, specialists of the diseases of the nervous system. Neuropathy, disease of the nervous system. Neuritis, inflammation of the nerves. Polyneuritis, inflammation of the many nerves. Then we have radio. Radi means radiation. We take X-ray by radiation. We do radiotherapy by radiation. We treat cancer. And we take X-rays. Radiology, study of radiation. Radiogram, X-ray, record of the radiation. Mono, man. Mono means one. Monoplegia, paralysis of one limb. It could be arm, it could be leg. Monoplegia. Di mean two. It could be diplegia. Quadriplegia. Quadri mean four. Mono, one, di, two. Quadri mean four. Quadriplegia. All four limbs are paralyzed. Then we have para. Para mean to the side or below the waist level. Para mean to the side or below the waist level. Paraplegia, paralysis below the waist level. Both the legs are not working. Hematemesis. Emesis mean vomiting. Emesis mean vomiting. Hemat and emesis. It mean vomiting of blood. Hemat mean blood. Emesis mean vomiting. So hematemesis mean vomiting of blood. Hematemesis mean vomiting of blood. Hemoptysis. Hemoptysis. Hem again is blood and ptysis mean cough. So it is coughing of the blood. Ptysis mean coughing. Hemoptysis coughing of blood. We also call cough syrup as antitussive syrup. Antitussive syrup. Anti-cough syrup. So hemoptysis coughing of the blood and hematemesis is vomiting of the blood. Regurgitation, backward flow. Wherever we have valve in the body, the role of the valve is to allow the flow in one traffic in one direction, not in the reverse direction. Where there is reverse direction, that is known as disease, like mitral valve incompetency. Incompetency of the cardiac muscle that is present at the junction of esophagus and stomach. Stomach secretions are acidic. They should not go up into the esophagus. Esophagus mucous membrane is very sensitive. So if this acidic material will go into the esophagus, it will irritate and give pain. That is known as heartburn, because this is a heart area. It is not burning in the heart, but it is burning in the esophagus. But as this is heart area, so this is known as heart burning. Hematoma. Oma means tumor, hemat means blood. So this is tumor of the blood. After injury, we usually get swelling on the site of injury. That is collection of blood, because the capillaries are ruptured and there is a lot of bleeding in that localized area, and it becomes like a tumor. This is known as hematoma. Gastric ulcer. This is discontinuity in the mucous membrane of the stomach. This is mucous membrane, the top one, there is discontinued here. If it is superficial, it is known as gastritis, inflammation of the mucous membrane of the stomach. But if it is deep, like this one, go down and touch the muscle. As I told you, this material in the stomach is acidic. So when you touch the muscle, acid will touch the muscle, it will give pain. That is gastric ulcer. That is why we have pain in the gastric ulcer. I think this is enough for today. Thank you very much.